Parents, we'd like to introduce you to our new service, ExamMarker. Here, you'll see a student is able to watch an exam question. They'll be able to pause at different points and then answer, just in the way they would if they were writing an exam. Once they've completed their answer, they are able to take a picture of it and then upload that to our learning system. When they have finished uploading their answer, it will be received by a qualified teacher. The teacher will then be able to access the student's work and compare it to the mark scheme, which uploads for them automatically. They'll then be able to record and annotate different suggestions and ideas for the student to be able to improve their work. This is really useful as it's cross-referenced with the mark scheme. It has specific audio feedback from a live tutor and also has the annotation tools, all so that the student knows exactly what and where the teacher is referring to within the student's answer. The teacher is then able to send this video feedback to the student, who can watch and understand exactly where they need to improve, thereby gaining confidence and the support they need to do well in their exams. If needed, the student will also be given tutorial videos to explain where they've gone wrong and how to help them fix that issue.